Namaste children, welcome back. ये question आपने previous shots में देखा होगा. You would have seen this shots. If you have not seen, please see the same question in the previous shot. This question was about nucleus and potential energy. Many children, both NEET and JEE, got this wrong. Why? This question was asked in KSET. This is a question from your NCERT. Let us see the explanation of this question. The question was that which of the graph, is actually relates to the nucleon potential energy as well as a function of their separation. वो पूछा है. तो यहाँ पे separation of nucleons का distance आपको R0 पे दिया हुआ है. ये देखो यहाँ पे आपका separation of distance is given in terms of R0. R or FM, or there is a potential energy in terms of U. एक बात तो आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा, potential energies are always in the form of negative. So they are always given in terms of negative, right? So you should know that most of the potential energy will therefore be in the form of a negative graph. तो वो माइनस में होना चाहिए. And when the nucleons are at a very far distances from each other, it is almost like the potential energy जो है U, it is equal to 0. So the potential energy at very far distances will be 0. और जब as the nucleons start coming closer to each other, what happens? There is a force of attraction. When they come closer to each other, there is likely to be a force of attraction. So therefore, there is some attraction force. You should remember that the force is always basically, what is it? Minus du by dr, which basically means it is the negative gradient of the potential difference. The force is always the negative gradient of the potential difference. ये याद रखना. And so therefore, when the force becomes attractive, the potential will tend to drop. So far distance में 0 है और वो जाके drop होगा. And then it reaches a point R0. When it reaches R0, the force is 0. We had asked this question in the previous shots. What is the force when R is at the minimum? That is R is R0. And R0 is basically 0.08 fermimeter. R0 becomes 0.8 fermimeter. तब आपका force 0 होता है. Potential energy is minimum. So potential energy minimum होता है. Less than 0.8, the force is repulsive. When the distance between them is very small, less than 0.8, आपका force हो जाता है repulsive. तो potential energy ऊपर जाएगा. तो आपका ग्राफ बन गया है ऐसा. So it should be like this, and this should be the zero line, right? So therefore you see that this all three are similar graphs. B, C और D तीनों सेम है, बट यहां पे आपका यूनिट्स देखना पड़ेगा. Potential energy here is marked in MeV, not in EV or KeV. It is in MeV. So यहाँ पे ग्राफ सेम है तीनों का, but units अलग है. तो यहाँ पे आपका आंसर बन गया D, right? So very important to remember this basic concept that the force is the negative gradient of your पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस और द पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. देखते हैं आपके एनसीईआरटी में कहां पे दिया है. देखो ये न्यूक्लियर फोर्स का जो पोर्शन है न्यूक्लियस चैप्टर में, यहां पे यही ग्राफ दिया है और यहां पे आपको सेंट्रल लाइन, द सेंट्रल लाइन दैट इज गिवन हियर इज 0 हियर बेसिकली, एंड दिस इज द ग्राफ ऑफ पोटेंशियल एनर्जी टू दैट ऑफ द न्यूक्लियस डिस्टेंस, एंड ही हैज गिवन यू क्लियरली दैट व्हाट इज द force acting at different distances. When the distance is less than 0.8, देखो यहाँ पे दिया है, the force is repulsive. The force becomes attractive for distances more than 0.8 FM. ये भी दिया हुआ है. Perfect. Happy learning. Keep remaining connected. Learn and knock NEET.